Probably very hot.
Yeah, it's very hot.
You gotta let it cool down.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now, we've collected the bento boxes. I'd like to invite Tharman as well as Dr Lam to have a taste of the fresh, convenient, and hot food right here for the official launch of Chef in Box. And there you have it. Simple, efficient and quick. Tasty, fresh and convenient.
It seems to be a fad, salted egg yolk recipe. Many restaurants.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are really delicious hot food right at your doorstep. The amazing Chef in Box VendCafe. Once again, right here we have local delight selections as well as Western delight dishes. In the near future, we'll also like to introduce to you the Malay food as well as Japanese cuisine. All of them will at the vending machines right here. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand please. I'd like to thank Tharman for helping us launch Chef in Box and having had a taste of the food.
So everything is monitored. In fact, I want to show
Also, so people don't leave things around.